Welcome to my Freedom horizontal template. Let me give you a brief demo of what this can do. Of course, there's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll walk you through a more in-depth tutorial of using this. But for now, in this background, there's a variety of ways you can customize it. So there's a shield color here that I can turn on and kind of customize it more to the team colors. Or I can open this up and there's both a flag and a sky background. So right now it's kind of a mixture of both, so you can kind of see through to the sky in the background. You can just use the sky. You can increase the opacity of the flag so it's just the flag, or that combination of both. Right now this is a red, white, and blue themed poster. However, I can customize it and change those colors to more of something like this, where I have it matching the team colors. This land of the free, home of the brave is an awesome motto for any sport or team. And it also can be used for things like first responders, military, Boy Scouts, or whatever else you come up with. I'm sure clients are going to love it.